that she wrote, "Speech to the young, speech to the progress toward. Say to them, say to the downkeepers, the sun slappers, the self-soilers, the harmony hushers, even if you are not ready for the day, it cannot always be night."
Sir, fix and work. Six up like Mike. He's out of sight. We got me pipe. Two there like Ike. Six up the spot.
Into the night.
Yeah, I'm shaking the drop. I'm still up on top. I been had the pop. The devil my aunt. Can't pay me to stop. My God at the top. We gon' raise our day out of praise God that we been on Bay's side, on the side of 85 with the bike. I serve, follow your word, see with new sight.
Into the night.
Yeah, this life I'm living, all the evidence been tipped in. Gave me that grip, no slipping. Out of my mind, we're tripping. Tell me take two when I'm on one. That look out like no one. Kept it real tight like your son. We gon' praise our way out the grave, dog. Living, speaking, praise God. Walking out the graveyard, back to life. I serve, follow your word, see with new sight.
Into the night.
Let's get right. Bitch, I pie like tight. Ain't no part of my type. Prada bag, nigga. Put that Prada and get me right. Taking cash, nigga. Taking Prada, not paying it tight. Pay me twice. Still outside. Still outside. Bitch, still outside. Still outside. Payment pilot, nigga. Still outside. And I'm still outside. I'm still outside. Still outside. Let's get right. Let's get right. Let's get right. Let's get right. Let's get. Let's get right. Let's get. Let's get. Look at new scenes. I open my life. I'm subject to memes. I signed a few niggas. I polished their dreams. An angel on earth. I'm under my wing. Stop running your publishers, nigga. They publish the headlines and say the wrong things. Y'all treat your Lord and Savior like rentals insurance. You know what I mean? Bada the boom. I bada the boom. I bada the bean. I need a new girl. My old one was mean. I had to let go. Forgave all them evils that came to my show. I channeled them back. Blow on the boat. I channeled your trust. I channeled the turbulence. Came with the life. I gathered my sinners and asked if I'm right. Let's get. I just get right. Let's get right. Let's get right. Let's get right. Ain't on sight. It's on sight. I don't know you. It's on sight. I don't know you. Hey. All of my on channel 5. I don't channel 10 till it go time. Used to throw up my uncle's spaghetti. Been taught to toast since before I was ready. Back when my mama told me that I was challenged. A single black woman, you know that she petty. I turned a heavy heart to $2 million. I put that in totals, reverse out of day. I gotta put on the major one time. It's on the bottom with major one time. I know some white people serving no time. I gotta do it for me, do it for person, do it for other ones. I wanna do it for other ones. I wanna let's get right.
Yo, what's up, chat? How you doing? Let's fucking get this live stream started. Let's get this right. It's a Friday. And it's the last day of the week. Let's fucking go. Damn, I know I'm late, sorry. Anyway, gold is ripping down as you can see. Look at that shit, look. That's crazy. Damn, gold. Look at this. This is crazy. So Shad, look, if we broke the highs again, I'm gonna have another sell. Okay, so did we broke the highs again? Not yet. Not yet, not yet. Yo, what's up, you Tayyip? How you doing, bro? How you doing? Early trade, huh? Damn, I was looking for this to break the highs again, and then I can take sales. There's something but I can't forget. Look at this wicks. Look at this. A lot of rejection right here. There's a lot of rejection here, chat. So which means in any point, like, it can like bull back again. All right, let's see another song. Chat, did you take any trade today? We didn't take any trade except this one. And this one it's valid and it's solid also. So let's see, like that. You see, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, chat. So are we still on a profit? Yeah, we are. Soon as we flipped, yeah. All right, gold, can you flip back? 5-minute candle, nice top wick. So can we keep pushing down and feel this range? All right, chat, that's beautiful. All right, can we have another push down? All right, that's cool, that's cool. Another push. Can we get? All right, chat, I'm gonna close my full position right here. That's W. Oh my God, chat. Something about you I can't forget. You see this this 50-minute candle, it can flip, chat. Look, it can flip. But yeah, I closed my all position early. How much was that? That was 24 pips. Yeah, was 24 pips. Yeah, 24 pips. W. Give me that W, chat. Hold on. How can I? Where is my chat? W. All right. Yeah, I take buy in 60. You take buy? When did you take a buy, bro? Something about you I can't forget. All right, so that's our early entry, and I already told you we may have reject from here because, and that's why I take another sell, because we reject from here last time. المرة اللي فاتت لو تشوفون ان احنا المرة اللي فاتت اول شيء كان في rejection. شوفوا كيف في هنا rejection كثير، احتمال كبير بيكون في another rejection لما السعر يوصل المنطقة هذه. فهذا اللي خلاني اني اخذ another sell وانا مطمن. اوكي، لكن وثاني شيء احنا مقفلين تحت المنطقة اللي هي منطقة الريزيستنس زون، مقفلين تحتها. اوكي، فبالتالي we can keep pushing down, you know, and I take my advantage. Yeah, and that's what I was looking for. You see this candle, like it may flip, and if we didn't flip, we just look on the 30-minute. Look this 30-minute. Look at this, chat. Look at this. So we created a top wick and then we flipped. Just easy. It's just easy. So we are gonna wait on the 30-minute candle. We're gonna see how it's gonna close or how it's gonna open, and then we're looking for another position, chat. Okay, but W who took this trade, W disciplined, W patient. We didn't even have a time just to wait. Oh God, that's crazy, man. All right, let's see another sound. Unlock like that. But W, shit, W. That was beautiful, shit. That was beautiful trade. So fast trade. So yeah. Yeah, I can see it reject from here because it reject from here last time. Look, see, a lot of rejection here, and he reject from here last time. Look, same thing right here, bro. A reject from. That's why he reject again. You see, broke and then reject. And also was top wick on the 30-minute candle, and also on the 50-minute candle there was no top wick. So as soon as it's open, it created a top wick, and then what happened? It flipped. You see, that's what I'm talking about. Shit. W analysis, chat. Wallah. Look at this. That's what I was looking for. So now, as soon as we flipped bearish, and then we broke the lows, officially, we're gonna keep push down. So that's what I'm looking for, chat. You see? Like that. So another pop, and then we're gonna like broke it officially. So let's see another pop down. Like that. If you like the so yeah. So are you now in a drawdown, Mutaib? No shit like that. No shit like that. This shit like that. I didn't take any trade. Oh, so we didn't we didn't put our trade. So that's gonna be 48, and that's gonna be our 4th streak win on the live stream, chat. That's W. A 24 pip. Okay, we know now. So that's gonna be 24 pip to sell plus 24 pip. No, I was talking about the high resistance. Oh. And look at this. This is downtrend. Look at this downtrend. This easy. Like you can easy know what is the resistance, where is the support, and where is the resistance level. Just easy. Just mark this levels as your resistance zone. Just easy, Shah. Look at this. Easy. And here also, same thing. But yeah, but this is solid. Like this is solid range. Alright, 50-minute candle close bullish. Look at this ugly close. Look at that. That's crazy. No, haha. I think. Look at that shot. See, that's not good, Shad, because first thing it did, it's bottom wick, and make sure that this is comics open, okay? So it can flip bullish and fill this range. All right. So make sure you understand that. But this is huge rejection from the support, bro. Look at that. That's a nice reject. Yo, chat. How you doing? I didn't post anything on Instagram or on Snapchat. Even the community, I didn't post anything on the community. This is crazy because we took a so fast trade, chat. That's 24 bib. Let's just fill that. Believe that, oh, believe that, oh, believe that, oh. So, chat, if you have any question of or you want me to explain something, just ask me in the chat. Alright, look at this. Look at this. It's about to flip. As soon as it flip, we can fill this range. Alright, chat, let's go. You see, it didn't broke the highs officially. So if we broke their own high, we can say, yeah, we can have another push and fill the range, but we didn't. So soon, as long as we didn't and we flip bearish again, we may keep pushing down, chat. احتمال كبير السعر راح يكمل لتحت. اوكي خليكم فاهمين الشيء ذا. Alright, let's see another song. Man, I love blow card, man. That's nice. Yo, don't forget to put like to the live stream, chat. Bro, I will send on Telegram and explain to me why he pushed down. Alright, send me, bro. Let me open the Telegram. Yeah, chat. Also, you can send your chart. You can send your chart, the trade that you took, and why you took that trade. And yeah, we can review the trade on the live stream. You can send it on the community chat. So you took what? Just first thing to make know what you did. You took what? You took buy, right? So you took buy and then it reject. Hold on. Let me see. You take buy, and then what happened? It go up straight to your TB, or it hit your stop loss. Because what I can see is the next candle is like almost hit your TB. So what happened? Like, chat, look, if you can see this, it reject from here, from this area. It reject from this area, and the reason behind that it's because look right here. It reject from same thing. It's reject from so this is a rejection area, chat. You know what I'm saying? This is a rejection area. So you should know that. Like, if you know that this is a rejection area, and you have buys. And you saw the price, it's almost tapped the rejection area or rejection zone, you should be close your position or close half your position, and let the rest go to your TB. So that's gonna be a free risk trade. فهمتوا الفكرة؟ إنه بعد ما أنت تقفل جزء من الصفقة حقتك، لأنك عارف إن المنطقة هذه منطقة resistance، منطقة rejection، حلو؟ فبالتالي اوكي السعر لو وصل المنطقه هذه احتمال كبير انه راح يرجع يرتد. فبالتالي انا هنا وش اسوي ريسك مانجمنت، واسوي ادير الصفقه حقتي ريسك ماي تريد، مانج ماي تريد. سو اقفل جزء من الصفقه حقتي، سكيور سم بروفيت، بعدها احرك الستوب لوز للمنطقه الدخول اللي دخلتها and let the rest go to the TB. So that's going to be free risk trade, and if it reject, as we know, that's why we close partials at the first. That's why we close profit at the first. And if it, like, look, it created a top wick and there is a bottom wick right here. So it created a top wick and then it flipped bearish. So that's mean what, chat? If it broke the if it broke the low, the on low, which means it can't fill the range. But it didn't. But it's already closed what? Closed bearish. And look what happened here. Same thing. You see? And then he hit like the same price, like his entry price. That's all I can see in this trade. It reject from here because there's a rejection zone and there is a bottom wick, so and also it created a top wick and then it flipped bearish, and it also closed bearish. So yeah, this is why. Now I understand, bro. It's just easy. It's just easy. Believe that. Oh, believe that. Hold on. Let me go here and then bring this. No, I don't like. Man, God. Anyway, it is what it is. So now you understand? Look at that. Look at that shit. That's beautiful. Skip. Nice. Look at this.
We too strong, ayy. Fighting while we elevating, like Solange, ayy. Ballin' ever since I came in, like LeBron, ayy. Going against corporations, one-on-one. This that unlock, this that shit that have them spazzing on every block. They want me to take them back, but I'd rather not. They want me to take them back, but I'd rather, ayy. Yeah, the West, yeah, the West. And lately I ain't been feeling the best. Cause you the best, yeah, you my best side.
So now we broke the low. كسرنا المنطقة. Okay. So we can have another push. If we, you see, that's what I'm talking about. We can have another push now down side. And that's gonna be clean range to trade. That's gonna be a clean range to the downside. Alright. The weekly is bearish. Daily bearish. 4-hour candle is bearish. Look at that top wick. 1-hour candle bearish. Absolutely. And there is 18 minutes in this 1-hour candle to close. So I think we're gonna wait for this 1-hour candle, the opening, and we're gonna see what happens next. We're gonna see how it's gonna open, and we're gonna see how it's gonna close also. So it depends how it's gonna close and how it's gonna open. Alright, Sha? So let's see. 8 minutes. Not 8 minutes. 18 minutes. Sorry. So let's see.
أنا سكين جارد ومع حماية الحاجز بين شغلات يعطيك حلاقة مريحة للبشرة.
My name's Jack, and I'm a super dad. I watch a lot of movies. Talk to my daughter a lot. Yeah, I'm a John Hughes fan. Breakfast Club is Flubber is fire. Flubber's just dope. Yeah, he's like a scientist who made this goo that like bounces everywhere called Flubber. Yeah. Yeah, you gotta just trust the idea.
I like this song. This song is bad. It give me motivation. It give me vibration. It give me everything. Everything, chat. Everything. So, with the song, I think we're gonna have a position, chat. Get ready. We need to pull back. You know what I'm saying? I know that you like this. We need to pull back. Pull back more. Pull back more. So that's mean on the 1 hour candle there's gonna be a bottom wick. And if we have a bottom wick, which means we'll have a structure. And if we have a structure, which means there is a possibility to fill the range. You see? It's just easy, chat. It's a process. Keep that in your mind, okay? جدا سهل. Bottom wick. Bottom wick زي كذا. Let me like draw and let's see my talent and draw. So that's gonna be like this. Man, I'm bad in drawing. Okay, so can we have like another thing? Anyway, it just pull back. Alright, so that's gonna be a top wick, bottom wick, sorry. Like this, it's a bottom wick. And then, yeah, you see? What kind of drawing is that, bro? I'm bad in drawing. Anyway, do you understand the process? What I mean? $40 minutes, chef. 40 minutes. Let's see. A lot of things can happen in this 40 minutes, chat. A lot of things can happen. So next place is right here, chat. That's gonna be the next. It's gonna be next support level. So that's gonna be like, you can say that's a decent range to trade. How much is this trade? From here to here, it's 74 bips. Oh god, that's a lot, bro. All right, let's see, chat. I didn't post anything on Instagram or Snapchat. Shit, I need to post, but I'm locked in, you know. I'm locked in, chat. I'm locked in. Okay, nice rejection. Look at that, nice rejection. All right, what you gonna do, gold, next? Let's see. Okay, so I saw your trade, bro, and you was asking why it's reject. You take buys and you was in profit, right? You was in profit. It almost hit your TB, right? The trade that you took. All right, and then it reject, and then it reject back to your same entry place. That's why, because he tapped a rejection zone. You see, it tapped a rejection zone, because if you look back what happened, there was a lot of rejection right there. You're gonna see there's two candle reject from this place. So that's mean what? That's mean a rejection zone, a rejection area that it may reject from. So the right thing that you should be doing in this situation, you know that, okay, that's a rejection zone. What can I do right here? Close some profits, and then you move your stop loss to same entry, okay? And then it's gonna be what? Free risk trade. So if the price, because you already know that it may reject from this area, because it may not tap your TB, because it's a rejection zone, and that's what happened. It reject from, and it didn't hit UTB. So the second candle, what happened? It created a top wick, and then it flipped bearish. And if you look the previous candle, you find that there is a bottom wick, which mean which means this candle created a top wick and then it flipped bearish, and it can fill the range, but it didn't fill all the range. It just filled like half, and then it closed bearish. And the second one, same thing did. It did the same thing, top wick, and then it keep pushing down because it broke the lows. That's why. What happened? If you want, I will take another photo. I didn't say any. Yeah, I know, but you say why it reject from. Why it reject from and go down. That's what you say, right? Why did it go down? That's why I say. Why did it go down? Why it reject from there and keep pushing down? Yeah, that's why. You see? It's just easy, bro. That's why you saw me like closing my position early, because I know it may reject, because I know it's in any point it will reject from this zone, and if it keep continue, I don't have a problem, but in any point it can reject. So that's why I close my position early. You see, I take my W and I get out. If it keep push up, it doesn't matter because it's not gonna reject. But I know that's a rejection zone. That's why I don't like leave the trade, keep like going more and more. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's why. So lock in. We may have another position soon, chat. 1 hour candle. There's 9 minutes. So let's get a see. Let's see what happened.
من زمان وللحين.
Yeah, now you understand, bro. Alright, chat, look, let's finish this Friday with a banger. What do you think? What do you think? What do you think, chat? The gold affected by the news. Yeah, obviously. Yeah, obviously. That's why I trade after the news. Because there's gonna be a lot of momentum, a lot of volume. So yeah. So let's finish this day with a banger, chat. خلينا ننهي اليوم هذا بقنبلة موقوتة. Yo, chat, don't forget to put some likes, please, okay? Give the live stream like. Why you are, chat, like? Give the live stream like, goddamn. Bro, yeah, I was sleeping, man. I was sleeping. And my alarm, bro, it didn't wake me up. And my mom woke me up, and guess what? I just looked into the hour and then, fuck, I'm late. Shit, تأخرت. And I just wake up, and then like I just keep like I was trying to like start the live stream, like trying to like do the setups before I do the live stream, and I was so fucking fast, like damn, I was like Tony Stark. Wake up. And then like, damn, it was so fast. I was so fast. Yeah, I am, bro. And soon as I was like started the live stream and we have the song, the opening song, لما كنا قاعدين نبدأ اللايف ستريم في البداية وكانت فيه الأغنية حقت البداية، كنت قاعد أطالع على الشارت وقاعد أشوف الجولد هو يكمل ينزل تحت، قاعد يكمل بيرش يكمل لتحت، قاعد طالع قلت اوكي ما فوتنا كثير يعني، اوكي في كم بوزيشن فوتناه، but hey there is another position come we're lucky يعني في تريد يعني الماركت معطينا سيت ابس، في فوليوم الماركت معطينا سيت ابس الهاي كواليتي and we took it. If I told my mom to wake me up in the 8 in the morning, she will wake me up at 5 morning. Damn, bro. Alright, so Shad, look at this. This is the same area that the gold reject from and the 1 hour candle, so that's gonna be a solid reject from. And if we like keep pushing down more, that's okay. But we looking to fill this range and we looking to tap this area. You see, we looking to tap this area. This next this is gonna be the next price that gold will target it. And let's see. Look at this. Gold, don't fill the range yet. Please, don't fill the range yet. ما أبغى الجولد يملى الرينج كامل على طول. Just can we have a pullback? It's a 4 minutes gold. It's a 4 minutes, bro. Like just stop, man. Like stop. Just pull back. Can you just pull back, bro? Gold doesn't want to pull back. ده ما يبغى يرجع. ارجع. Just go back like. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Go back. Man, this thing is not gonna go back. Oh, it's coming back. It's coming back. No, it's coming back. That's beautiful. It's coming back. 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Just don't break the lows again. It broke the lows. Damn, gold. All right, 2 minutes. Yeah. I see a potential of sales. Well, we're gonna see on the next 2 minutes. بعد دقيقتين راح نشوف. باقي دقيقتين على الشامة حقت ال 1 hour candle. Same thing with the 30 and the 15. So راح ننتظر على الشامة حقت ال 1 hour candle، بنشوف كيف راح تقفل وكيف راح تفتح. So it depends how the 1 hour candle will open and how the 1 hour candle will close. كيف الشامة حقت الساعة راح تقفل وكيف الشامة حقت الساعة الجديدة راح تفتح. هذا كله يعتمد. Okay? Yo chat, if you didn't like give the live stream like, hit that like please, okay? Let's fill this range. Journal. So that's gonna be, yo chat, what time is today? 9? Oh shit, this is, hold on. two lot size, York session, gold, bearish, normal. Oh, we did have pineapples. It's normal and then we have pineapples. Okay, so that was like what? That was sell. We took sell, right? Hold on, let me see. Come on, gold. Stop tripping. Come on. Give me that pullback. Pull back. Go back. We need to trade. Go back. Nice. Hello, Jerome. This is the place that we reject from. Please, can you just go back? Just can you push the price back again? A little bit, just a little bit, like few pips. Like look at this, man. Gold doesn't want to give us a chance. أعطيني فرصة يا أخي. أعطينا فرصة. Okay, let's see. Card B. Look at that. How much was BIP is that? How much BIP? Bro, this is like there is no bottom wick. That's crazy. Ugly closure. All right, let's see. So we struck like scratch this idea and let's see. ليش ما تتكلم عربي؟ لأنه في بعض المصطلحات يعني لهجتي مختلفة عن لهجة بعض الناس، فبالتالي لما أتكلم يعني بلهجتي في مصطلحات ما يفهموها، فبالتالي لازم أتكلم إنجليزي عشان الجميع يفهم سواء عربي أو إنجليزي، والمصطلح نفسه أوكي فيكون هو فهمه. ما أحتاج كل شوي أقعد أشرح المصطلح نفسه، أشرح مصطلح مختلف مدري إيه. You see that's why. شفت كيف؟ That's crazy. ما عندك مشكلة يا عبد العزيز، إذا عندك سؤال اشرح لي قل لي وأنا عادي أبشرح لك. يعني إذا أنت ما فهمت شيء شو الفايدة من اللايف ستريم إذا أنت ما أنت مستفيد حاجة؟ فاشرح لي وأنا راح أشرح لك عادي يعني زي ما تبغى. قل لي والله أنا مثلا ما فهمت الكلمة هذه وش يعني، والله مثلا ما فهمت هذا اللي أنت قاعد تقول عليه. إيه عادي اشرح بفهمك عادي، اسألني ويا شو الفائدة من اللايف ستريم إذا ما تقدر تسأل ولا تستفيد حاجة. Let me change this song. This song is bad. Take off your dress. Ooh, look at that shit. Look at that. I told you that's a beautiful rejection. Reject from. Look at that. منطقة ارتداد قوية جدا. شوف كيف. It's huge. That's huge. You see? Yeah. It tapped. It didn't broke. ما كسرت المنطقة من تحت. هنا ما كسرت. وصلت عندها على طول ورجعت ارتدت. ممتاز. Look at that. So what's gonna happen here? You're gonna give us gold for our candle 2 hours. Oh, لسه باقي ساعتين على الأربع ساعات. الشمع حقت الأربع ساعات. I see that he called pushing more up. It's like, bro, you need to create structure if it's wanna keep pushing up. Oh, more down. Yeah, it may. Maybe. If we have closure below this support level. لو الشمعة قفلت تحت المنطقة حقت منطقة الدعم نقدر ندور برضو على سيل، بيكون في هبوط السعر راح يهبط اكثر، لانه خلاص صار عندنا السعر احترم المنطقة حقت الدعم وقفل تحتها، فبالتالي لما نقفل تحت هذا يعتبر ايش؟ نيو رينج، منطقة جديدة انه السعر يتحرك فيه، فبالتالي راح تدور على سيلز، ما راح تدور على باي اكشلي. اوكي، يعني شيء منطقي جدا. So let's see, let's see. احلل على اي مدرسة؟ ما في مدرسة احلل عليها. انا اللي احلله اسمه البرايس اكشن، تحليل البرايس اكشن، تحليل حركة السعر. فما في مدرسة ولا اي شيء. شباب انا ما ادري، انتوا دائما تجيبون مصطلحات مدرسة المدري وش، مدرسة الاي سي تي. شباب هو اسمه تحليل اي سي تي، تحليل برايس اكشن، ما ادري تحليل النيوز، ما اعرف، لكن اللي اعرف اللي هو تحليل الاي سي تي ماركت وتحليل البرايس اكشن. فمدرسة هذه انا ما اعرف الناس من فين يجيبوها. ما اعرف الناس اسمها مو مدرسة يا اخوان، اسمه تحليل البرايس تحليل البرايس اكشن، تحليل حركة السعر، تحليل مثلا اي سي تي ماركت، تحليل اي سي تي ماركت بس، لكن مو مدرسة. اوكي، هذا مصطلح عندنا في العرب يا اخي والله صعب، ما يصير. انا قد سمعت فيه بس ما كنت مصدق انه والله فعلا ماشيين بيه. So we are waiting now. اللي قاعد نسويه الان نحن قاعد ننتظر، يكون عندنا صبر. اوكي، لازم يكون عندك صبر لما تنتظر السوق يعطيك الهاي كواليتي تريد، هاي وين تريد، الصفقة او التريد اللي فيها نسبة ربح عالية. اوكي، السيت اب او الاستراتيجية اللي انت قاعد تنتظرها عشان تخش تريد. اوكي، تحتاج انها تكون A بلس. اوكي، معناته A بلس سيت اب، يعني سيت اب ممتاز جدا انك انت تاخذ تريد فيه من خلاله. اوكي، مو تقعد تاخذ لي اي تريد عشوائي. no that's no X that's no 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 no. okay, did you get a shot? فهمتوا؟ so let's see what's gonna happen right here. 1 hour create bottom wick، شمت الساعة سوت bottom wick. and how much this bottom wick from here to here؟ 12 بيب. الشمعة حقت الساعة سوت 12 بيب bottom wick. حلو، ممتاز. يو شباب، في بعض الناس ما يفهمون وش يعني bottom wick. bottom wick اللي هي العصاية اللي انت تشوفها هذه، شايف العصاية هذه this one. اوكي، هذه اسمها bottom wick. وش التوب ويك؟ التوب ويك اللي هي ذي. اوكي، العصاية اللي هي فوق. فلما نقول توب ويك معناته العصاية اللي فوق، bottom wick يعني العصاية اللي تحت. bottom wick top wick bottom wick top wick. اوكي، في ناس ما يعرفون الشيء ذا. فما ينفع يا شباب نيجي نقول لكم والله قاعد ننتظر السعر يسوي لنا عصاية، ما تيجي. فهمتوا؟ ففي مصطلحات ما تقدر تقولها بالعربي. just ما تقدر. alright, let's see another song.
So close, but so far. Go home or go hard. How can I stop when I come this far?
I smile outside, deep down I'm scarred. They only see the results.
The pain, they know the heart. Fam not lost and said I'm okay, but deep down really and I was vexed. I give more than I
What you mean? The setup? تقصد السيت اب؟ هاي مي دو bang from bang. In this life, I can't be rich, I can't be broke. It is always his favor. Never tell me no. Let's see. No, we may have another buy, bro. No, we may have another buy. It just we need like a pullback, and then we have a top wick. Hello, اللي هي العصاية. Top wick, and then if we have bottom wick first, we're gonna look into take a bottom wick buy. All right, so it's just easy. That's what I'm looking for. If we had that. Yeah, if we didn't have the pullback, we're gonna wait more. Just patient. It is what it is. If we didn't have the pullback that we look. But look, we already have a pullback. Look at that. That's a beautiful pullback. How much is that pullback? So we need the bottom wick first. So let's get a 32, bro. That's a 32 to fill the range. So let's see. Look at this. Look at this, shit. Look at this. I was looking for a steeper bottom wick like here. Like I was looking a bottom wick to tap this area. And look how it's just keep going so fast, bro. Like, I mean, like it is what it is, you know? How much was that? That was 70 pip. That was crazy, bro. That was 17. Like if we like taken from here to here, that will give you from the bottom wick to here, that will give you 22 bip, bro. Look at that. Damn, gold, you don't give us a chance right here. Just give us a chance. Damn. But it is what it is. There is something you I can't forget. I like this song. The song Playboy Cardi. Amazing. Alright, let's listen to this song. Yo, Chef, it's a Friday night. Yo, it's a fucking Friday night. Let's have some vibe. And tomorrow is gonna be Ramadan, bro. Tomorrow is Ramadan Kareem, bro. صح والله. رمضان كريم، كل سنة وانتم طيبين. وبصراحة ماني عارف كيف راح يكون اللايف ستريم في رمضان. يعني كيف راح اسويه في رمضان انا ما اعرف، بيكون صعب لانه عندي خطط كثيرة في رمضان. عندي خطط كثيرة في رمضان، وعندي خطط كمان اني انزل فيديو بالوقت الخطة، يعني في خطة بسويها في رمضان وراح اصورها طول شهر رمضان كله. فما اعرف موضوع اللايف ستريم راح يكون، يمكن راح يكون متأخر شباب، راح يكون متأخر موضوع اللايف ستريم. يعني تقدر تقول بعد المغرب نبدأ. ايش رايكم بعد المغرب؟ كويس؟ ايش تشوفوا؟ You take a buy? Why did you take a buy? You take a buy, why? Like, why did you take a buy here? Alright, let's see chat, let's see. فأنا أشوف بصراحة بعد المغرب نسوي لايف ستريم يكون كويس، نكون تونا فطرانين معينين من الله خير، كاسة شاي، تونا واكلين مملين الكرشة، ونتداول مروقين. I don't know. I see a small support in on the 1 minute, bro. Seriously? On the 1 minute? Like, yeah, there is a rejection on the 1 minute, but it's not a like. It's not a like a big confirmation like the higher time frame. You know what I'm saying? Yo, you are crazy. You tell you. So 10 minutes left on this 30 minutes to close. So let's get to see. But the liquidity, it will be very down. Yeah, I mean like it's your trade, bro. It's يعني الطريقة اللي انت تشوف فيها الماركت، ومدام هي ضمن الخطة حقتك، ضمن السيت ابس، ضمن التريد اللي انت تاخذها، اوكي ليش لا؟ فيا بعد المغرب شباب. yeah I understand. فاعتقد راح يكون بعد المغرب راح نسوي هذا كله، لكن بشوف يعني خلينا نشوف. I mean after ايوه بعد رمضان، يعني في رمضان يعني بعد المغرب السيولة ما راح تكون مرة. I can know that. I know. But it is what it is. This is what I can do. You know, I have a lot of like plans. I have a lot of plans to do. Bro, W, look at this. You took a buy. I think you took a buy where, like right here, and you took a buy from here to here. That give you, bro, like that's give you 25. The next TB. The next TB. Look, if it broke the highs. But we know that there's a rejection right here, okay? And if we go looking back before, low chuff, I'm in buy and profit. I know, bro, I know. So look, what you see right here? The price now is, okay, the price now is right here. So where is you gonna see the rejection was from? It was from here. Okay, and here what happened before? It was a clean range to here. So you can say the next TB will be right here, bro. Just right there. Yeah. Here or here. It's up to you, you know. Yo, what's up? يعني تقدر تقول هنا او عادي، يعني تقدر تقول هنا او هنا. 1844 او 1843. اوكي هذا التي بي اللي تقدر تخليه يعني. So yeah. And then when it tapped, you can close some partials. You know, you can look some partials. To close some partials. تقدر انك انت تدور انك تقفل جزء من التريد حقك، لانه اوكي انا عارف انه وصل المنطقة اللي احتمال فيها يرتد. فانت تقدر تسوي اكستند للتي بي حقك، تحركه لفوق كمان هنا، اوكي، وتقفل جزء من من الصفقة هنا، اوكي، او انك تقفل على طول هنا او هنا على التي بي. اوكي، فهمت كيف الفكرة؟ so yeah, let's see. Yo, let me look for the new song, bro. Like, what? Give me a song, goddamn. Hold on, let me see what you say, bro. كيف حال التريد؟ ممتاز. اول ما بدينا اللايف ستريم اخذنا شو اسمه هذا، اخذنا تريد على طول. اول ما بدينا اللايف ستريم ما طولنا، على طول يا ولد. ففي ناس متأخرة ما اخذ التريد معنا، في ناس yeah. Playbook card B come with the bank. Alright, let's see. Believe that. Yo, you can move your stop loss to same place entry. The entry. حرك شو اسمه ذا، حرك وقف الخسارة CL لمنطقة الدخول حقتك، لأنه لو السعر سوى فليب وكسر their own low راح يكمل لتحت. اوكي، خلك فاهم الشيء هذا. فانت ما تبى تكون في الترو داون هذا، ما تبى تكون في درو داون، ما تبى تكون في الموفمنت اللي بيروح يكمل لتحت. اوكي يطيب، خليك فاهم. I can see that he will break it. Yeah, I can relate. Hey. اوكي، باقي 5 دقائق على 30 دقيقة. شمعة 30 دقيقة باقي على 4 دقائق اوكي من الآن. فخليك فاهم انه ما في رينج انه السعر يكمل لتحت، لانه لوك no range to keep pushing down. فبالتالي عندك هنا bottom wick, and this bottom wick which looks this bottom wick is 12 bib. حلو، البottom wick هذا 12 bib، ف it's a support level. اوكي، it's a support. حلو، فبالتالي يا احتمال نشوف بولش مومنتوم. اوكي، احتمال نشوف بولش مومنتوم. فخلينا نشوف على شمعة ال 30 minute candle كيف راح تقفل، وبعدين نقدر ندور على تريد. اوكي على اي منصة تتداول؟ تريدنج فيو ومن بعد اكسنس. انا ما اتداول على لا تريدنج فيو ولا اكسنس، انا التريدنج فيو بس للتحليل. اوكي، والمنصة اللي انا اتداول عليها هي litefinance البروكر. فانا عندي 2 اكاونت، يعني قلت قبل كذا عندي 2 اكاونت، انه عندي حسابين، واحد ممول اللي احنا قاعدين نتداول عليه هذا الان، وواحد لايف اكاونت. اوكي، ف الريزولت اللي انت قاعد تشوفها هنا وقاعد ندونها، هذا حقة ال ايش اسمه هذا، الحساب الممول اللي هو الفوندد اكاونت. اوكي، والارباح اللي بسويها على اللايف اكاونت ما اقدر اجمعها بالارباح حقة ايش اسمه هذا، بالريزولت حق الفوندد اكاونت. اوكي، فبس الفوندد اكاونت خاص باللايف ستريم. اول كنت اسوي كومباوند، يعني قبل ما نسوي اللي هو الجورنال، قبل ما نسوي الجورنال كنت اسوي كومباوند، يعني كنت اجمع الربح حق اللايف اكاونت مع هذا. لكن بما انه عندنا الان خلاص جورنال، فبالتالي خلاص اللي قاعدين تشوفوا هذا كله حق الفوندد اكاونت، والفوندد اكاونت خاص بايش؟ خاص باللايف ستريم. اوكي، فهمتوا؟ جست ايزي. والبروكر اللي انا اتداول عليه اللي هو حق اللايف اكاونت، واللي هو لايت فاينانس، هو نفسه البروكر اللي يعني الموجودين بالهاوس بارتي يستخدموه. فيا دقيقة. اوكي هذه الأغنية كويسة. Oh, let's see. So it may tapped, like, look, if it broke the high, we have another pop. And if we already broke the high again, the previous high, we're gonna have another pop. So we may have that. I can relate. Yo, Shaq, give me 1 minute. Now you look to manage your risk, bro. Now you need to look to manage your trade, you tayyib. That's what I see. You see? On the dot, bro. On the dot. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. He could break it, but I mean, like, now you can manage your trade. You know? Yeah. So that's W. You're just looking for another push, you see? Just wait for another push and then manage your trade. Just easy. Okay? If I am in this trade, that's what I was waiting for. Another pop, broke the highs, just another pop, and then yeah, I close it. Well, W. Give that W, Shaq. Give him the W. W tape. That's good. Like you can't, like, waiting for another pop broke, and then you close your trade. You see, that's why did you afraid, bro? It's a process. You just follow the process, you know? Just wait to have another. You see, that's what I'm talking about. And then you look to close your trade or manage your trade. You see, to wait another pop. That's what I was looking for. See, I told you, bro. I told you. But it is what it is. Even it's like moving 100 pips more. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. You see? Just let it go, man. It's easy. You did your job. You took your W. You secure some profits. And then you go out from the... You see? Now it can pull back. Now it can pull back. It's easy. But you already took your W. You had that. Let's see how much like post bips was that from here to like here. Let's just say that's 23 bips. Seriously, bro? 28 bips? Really? Again, let's see again. From here to here. That's 25 bip. Yeah, but I don't want to repeat the last trade. Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you. You see? It pulled back now. That's was we talking about. We may have a big rejection from the area right here. You see? Look what happened. W, bro. This is how you learn from your mistakes. Share. You see? This is how you learn from your mistakes. Just W. It's just easy, bro. Look what happened now. Look at this rejection. That's crazy. But it is what it is, Shad. Look, W analysis. This is how you know. This is how you learn from mistakes, bro. It's just easy. So let's see what's gonna happen right here. I'm looking for. I'm opening for have another trade. Actually, I'm opening for have another trade. So let's see what's gonna happen. See, that's why it reject from here, because we already know that this is a resisting area, and also there is a lot of wicks right here, as I told you before. So yeah, same thing happened. Wallah, W shit. Analysis on the dot. You should be paying me, bro. Yo, you tape. You should be paying me, bro. Anybody want my advice? You should be paying me. I'm not gonna give you any advice again without you paying me first. So yeah. Look at this rejection, guys. Look at that. That's crazy. Yeah, I'll give you like on video too. Yeah, bro. Let's see. I'm still opening, chat. I'm still opening for trade. I can see some potentials for taking a trade, chat. Lock in. Yosha, here's the idea. If we, as long as we created a bottom wick and then we're gonna flip right here, and if we flip right here, we may look into fill this range, and as soon as we broke this high, previous high candle, we may have another push up. So this is idea. This is the first idea. And the second idea, we're looking for sales. Just easy. Easy. Let's see. What do you mean, like my setup is working Forex? Like how? You mean the setups that I took? The setups that I waiting for? The market give me? Is that what you mean? Let's see. Why you didn't trade your USD? I don't know, bro. It's just I feel comfortable and I feel like I belong to gold. It's boring. Yeah, I like the high volatility. I like the high volume, you know. And gold give me that. You see? It's just gold is give you some action. I like the action, you know. I like the waves. I like the way the gold moves. It just, yeah. When I entered this industry and I learned Forex, I learned on gold. And I just keep going on gold. You can call me Master of Gold. Yeah. I think I'm gonna change my name from Khaled FX to Master of Gold. Or Gold Bips. Bips Gold. Goldie Bips. Bips Goldie. It is what it is. Anyway, but just I feel comfortable with the trading gold. And I make a good profit from the gold. I feel myself in gold. I fit with the gold. So yeah, that's why I'm just trading gold. Just it give me what I need. I build my strategy and my ideas and my whole setups on the gold. Yeah, I don't need to trade any another bear. Gold is enough. It's gold, guys. Come on, it's gold. Gold. It's gold. From the name, you understand that this is enough. It's enough. It's gold. Gold. And actually, I see some people like they have a hard time, or they see that gold is hard to trade. I know some people say that. There's a lot of people say that gold it's hard to trade. Even if you have a funded account, do not trade in gold because it's have a lot of volatility. I don't know. I have a skill on gold, but what I mean, you are trading gold. That doesn't mean you can't trade another. Yeah, I know, bro. I know. Absolutely, I know. But just I feel comfortable. I feel comfortable when I trade gold. So this is the important thing, you know. Trust the process. Trust my ideas, and yeah, just everything what I need is just in gold. I don't need anything. So yeah. He said do not trade gold. But me, I trade gold. You can trade gold also. Fuck ICT market, bro. I don't care about ICT algorithm. I don't care, bro. I don't care. I do my price action and I trade gold. And hey, guess what? I'm doing well. I'm profitable in gold. You can go, you see? I see that he can move up. You mean the gold? Yeah, it may, bro. It may keep pushing up, bro, because he already created structure, uptrend. So that's first thing. And look, what it did is top wick, bottom wick on the 5-minute candle. So yeah. Yosha, I always trade with 2 lot size, and if we have another trade, I will trade with 5 lot size. How is that? I want to finish this Friday with a banger, but I need like high quality setups, bro. I need high quality setups. So I think this give us like a good motivation, you know, to get a trade, because I'm gonna trade with 5 lots. That's a lot. That's more than usually lots, like 3 lots more than I always trade in one trade. So if I have a second trade, that's gonna be at 10 lots. Ooh, I like that. يا واد قوم يا واد. منور عمور. عرفتك من دابو خلاص. اوكي فراح نتداول ب5 لوت سايز. But we need like a good reading on the price action. نحتاج قراءة على السعر مرة كويسة. فيا خلينا نشوف 5 lot size. What do you think, chat? What do you think? 5 lot size. What do you think? Should we do it? شو رايكم نسويها? Hi, I'm back to see how much you took from the market today. Yesterday I made 600 profit in a single sell trade. Bro, W man. هذا مين عبد الرحمن يا ابوي؟ عمر، مكتوب عمر دابو. مين عبد الرحمن يا شيخ؟ W bro. It's too big. It's too big, bro, but I don't care. You know, I was trade with 10 lot size in my last funded account, and the last journal I was trade with, you know, I was traded with the 10 lots. You know that? I swear I was traded with a 10 lot size, bro. 10 lot size. Look at this shit, God. That's crazy. So if you have a like a broke the high, yeah. مع أنا الذي كتب إيش أخبار التابلت. التابلت كويس. التابلت ممتاز جدا جدا جدا. ما عاد جانا عليه شيء. أخبار التابلت يا رجال والله نصابين. Scammers bro. الله نصابين، الله ياخذهم يا شيخ. ناس والله ما تخاف ربنا والله. والله ناس ما تخاف ربنا. Let's see chat. Who is أبو فالح bro? Who is أبو فالح? مين أبو فالح؟ يا الله تستهبل يا عمور. Bro I just damn man أخي. Damn guys, look at that. I work with funded account. That's why I made. Oh, that's nice bro. Oh ابو فلة المسكين ابو فلة اللي اتنصب عليه. Bro, that's too bad. That's too bad bro. Yeah. ابو فلة مسكين صارت عنده عقدة خلاص صار عنده عقدة من مجال التداول بشكل عام. والله ما الومه بصراحه، يعني انا اول ما بديت اتنصب علي 1000 مره، يعني بس ما جاتني العقده هذه، لا بس بصراحه كان معطيني حافز اني اكمل. Look at this 5-minute candle. Doesn't have a top wick, and first thing it did is a top wick, which means we may flip bearish. Chat. That's if we flip bearish and we keep broken the low, we're gonna keep pushed down, chat, because there's not gonna be range in the 5-minute candle. That's if we flipped. Bro, is he stupid? He's not a stupid bro, but he's just like the guy was talking Alhamdulillah, Inshallah, and he was like he's a religion guy, you know? He's never gonna scam on you, bro. He show himself as like a sheikh. Oh, I'm a good guy. I'm a good guy. والله العظيم بإذن الله الرحمن الرحيم تبارك الرحمن. So he always talking about the God, you know? So he give Abu Falla the comfortable that he need, because he always talk the God, he's always in his tongue, he always like Alhamdulillah. So this guy he's a religion guy, he never can scam anyone. But that's a fake, bro. That's a fucking fake. Do not believe these dudes. Even if he say Alhamdulillah, thank God, whatever what he say, he just trying to show you that, yeah, he's a motherfucking scammer. That's what he is, bro. That's what he is. Yo, chef, I don't know what happened. Damn, my computer was freezing, man. I don't know how. It just, my computer is freeze. Damn. Yo, chef, do you see me? Yeah, now we're back. Now we're back. Fuck, bro. What is my computer freeze? It's not his fault. He's afraid his friend was the mediator between him and the person who scammed him. Gold, he can move down. Why? Oh, I said gold can move down on the 5-minute candle because look, no top wick, which means there's no range, but it closed bullish. I mean, like in this 50-minute candle, I said, if we flipped bearish, so yeah, and we broke the low, we're gonna keep push down because there's no top wick. But it just keep pushing and created a top wick, and then yeah, look at what happened. So not in this 5-minute candle. Yo, what's up, Trading Secret? Shit, I didn't fill the journal. Yeah, I didn't fill it. Oh my God, to say you don't need Bore. Oh my God, bro! Like, why the journal is just like taking time to bro? This is crazy. What? Let me see. Don't let the market affect you. Change the time frame and try to see if the market is in a range. You see, this is the good mentality right here. Yeah, this is the good mentality. Let me fill the range first, and then we looking for another sell or buy. How are you your day in trading? Yeah, we did well. Yeah, we catch some moves, some beautiful moves, and yeah, we did well. And we're looking for, if we have another trade, I'm gonna trade not with 2 lots, I'm gonna trade with 5 lots. And if I take another position, which means another 5 lots, which means and compound, I'm gonna take a 10 lots. I'm gonna be in a 10 lots trade. So yeah, let's see if we gonna have the second trade that we're looking for. All right, so it was that was breakout 5, well, like it was on the 15. It was yeah, it was a wick. Is that what it was? It was a wick. I forgot, Chad. Can anybody remember me? I think it was a wick. You are crazy. I am a crazy, bro. Absolutely, I am. What do you think, dude? Yeah, I am a crazy guy. You just, the beautiful thing is you just like, bro, like, I like to get out from my comfortable zone sometimes. Stop trading for today. You've met some profit, close the account and enjoy your break. Is he talking to me, bro? I should be tell you that, bro. Like, what the fuck? I say, we are here, we are chilling, and if we see any potential of another trade we took, yeah, why not? That's what I'm saying. But if we take the high quality trade that we're looking for, or we see, which mean watch, which mean, yeah, we're gonna take the trade. It's a setup. It's a high A plus setups. Why we not take it? how much we made today on this trade. We made like, so that's a was win. So yeah, we have a 4 win streak since the last loss. So we have a 4 win streak now. Now we know how many win streak we sit on. That was 2 lot size, and we made on this trade okay, 400. Just type, bro, like just type. Okay, $0.15. How much was that, Shad? How much pip we did? 24. I'm doing a coffee. Okay, that's a perfect exit. It was a perfect exit, and we always have another. Hold on, we always have another position. So that's mean I'm gonna just wait. Perfect exit on the 15. All right, so let's just go back, and then we fill the partial that we took. No, we didn't close any partials actually. Stacked entries. We stack entries right here. We stack entries right here. But it is what it is. I'm not gonna fill nothing from this. So yeah, W. I know that you like this. Alright, let's see. I don't remember. Yes, I'm telling you this because I am like you. I trade too. I don't want to end up with lose, my brother. You may have more experience than me, but that doesn't stop me from it. Yeah, absolutely, bro. Yeah, absolutely, bro. That's a good thing, bro. Absolutely. So Shad, we have a bottom wick now. Oh my god, why it's always crash? Shad, my computer say, bro, just stop or I'm gonna turn the PC on your face, bro. Look at that, look at that. That's a beautiful. And then look what happened. Broke the high, and then we may have push. That's if we have broke the high. Ooh, we broke. There is a potential of down. You mean sales, bro? You see, Shad, that's a clean range to the top sides. And look, we almost tapped the resistant area, resistant zone. So yeah, that's crazy. Oh, look at this 1 hour, what it did. Look at this hour, what it did. Damn, gold. 1 hour. Looks beautiful. It's a beautiful night for some to do. Oh, baby, I think I wanna have some new trade. Look at this. It's a top wick, and then it flipped bearish. So let's see what is gonna the new hour candle will do. Are we gonna push down now? We may. Let me put some song.
vibes teens, gotta keep them close, ignite your back. We might go spin, spins, and playing that hoe before we cool out.
I'm tryna fuck some right now. That little hoe, she tryna fuck some right now. I'm tryna fuck some right now. That little hoe, she tryna fuck some right.
Sure that investing, it's more easy, obviously, but it's not profitable. It's not profitable like trading. They're not gonna give you the same money that you do it in trading. That's a fact.
We coming down swerving. This the real, not a version. I don't care who you fuck, you a virgin to me. You a perv into me, baby perfect to me. Hold my coat, hold my drink, on my own. Don't on me. Shorty wanna fuck on something. Fuck on me, suck on me, publicly. She feeling us up. She feeling on this. I can get it. It's that 1 + 2 is 3. Lock the number in and shit started with 3 songs. Me not the 3 song. We bout to have a mean one. I'm tryna fuck some right now. Split this look GC. Brown skin, but you know I had a cream on. Janet Jackson by the way I had a scream on. She hit the group chat said.
But you must analyze every day. Yeah, you see, I'm enjoy doing that actually. When I trade, I enjoy when I do my analysis, bro. Investment requires a lot of money, and trading requires you to be smart and patient. Yeah, that's true. With this, like when you have a skill in trading, you can make money easily. When you control your emotions, when you have some patience, when you have a good mindset, when you have good risk management, this is a skill. So when you have that skill, and you improve this skill by every time you trade, it will make you a good trader. And if you are a good trader, you can make money with these skills, right? But investment, you just need money. You don't need skill, bro. Like, you need knowledge, but the important thing, you need money. So in trading, like, you can make money easily with $215. You can make money easily. There's sweetness in trading. Sweetness. Ooh. I think we may have some sales, Shad, soon, because if the 1 hour flipped and broke the low, we may like keep pushing down, because that's a decent resistance, and it also close respect the resistance zone right here, and it tapped also the second resistance. So If we flipped and we broke the low, we can looking for to target this area, the support area zone. So that's good. But also we can look for buys, you know what I'm saying? Because look, if we looking for buys, we need to like stable top wick to fill the range. You see what I'm talking about? We need stable top wick, and we need to close above this resistant area. So as soon as we close this above this resistant area, which means what? We're still in this zone, so we can take buys because now we are in this area, we are in this range. So we can looking for buys. But how we gonna looking for buys? We need a stable top wick. That's mean a range. So and then we're looking to fill this range. Damn. Chat, let's see. I'm too sexy for the thing, too sexy for the fame. Let's see, chat. We may have position soon. Trust me. I know that. I can feel it. I can feel it coming in the air tonight. Hold on. Bro, I got a bad voice. Damn. Damn. I can't sing, bro. Too sexy for the thing. Alright, yes, the market shows that there is a sell, and there is also many of fair value gaps below. However, it has taken a lot of liquidity, and it could stop at any moment. Android, yeah, I agree with you, bro. So let's see, can we have that pop chat? Can we have that fit? Look at this. Look at that, bro. Can we have that fit? Can we break the highs? Can we break the own highs? Come on, Goldie. Do it. Vuvu. Vuvu is not good, bro. Like fit is good. Yo, Goldie. Keep pushing, Goldie. There's a 15 minutes on this 30-minute candle to close. And the 15-minute candle will close right below. Are you gonna close right below gold? Like, you're gonna do that? Are you gonna do that? Shit. It may do that shit. So do that. Or I can just close, like, take this out, and this is gonna be decent. So let's see. What you gonna do here, gold? Oh, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Damn, gold. Alright, Ramadan bought music. Ramadan. Yeah, in Ramadan we're not gonna have that music, bro. No music in Ramadan. Look at this shit. Look at that. That's beautiful. Alright, listen, Shah. I'm gonna stick for the next 30 minutes and we're gonna see how it's gonna close, okay? 15-minute candle, it may look, yes, it closed above the resistance level, okay? But Shah, this is not like a big confirmation, you see? So I'm gonna wait for the 30-minute candle and we are gonna see what's gonna happen on this 30-minute candle. We may close above and we may close below, so that's give you more confirmation what is gonna price gonna keep pushing at. You see where it's gonna go. So الفكرة هنا انه راح ننتظر على شمعة 30 دقيقة عشان تعطينا more confirmation، تأكيد اكثر، وبعدها yeah and then we looking to have some position. او اذا ما شفت الشمعة قفل بطريقة صح وبطريقة أنا أبغاها يعني I will call the day. I see the next buy will be in Oh, okay. Let's just see what's gonna happen, chat. So we're gonna scratch this. We're not gonna break the high. I think so. So chat, let's see what's gonna happen here. But I think there's gonna be a beautiful. Done. Damn, bro. I feel like, like trading is take a lot of energy. What you gonna do? What you gonna do today? I think I'm gonna go buy some stuff to Ramadan, to the plane that I am gonna take a video, you know. So that's gonna be after the Eid, inshallah, which means there's gonna be a video. You know what I'm saying, bro? Wallah, thank you. I feel start understand the market. You're welcome, bro. At the first, I wasn't understand what is this momentum, why it happens, why like. And now I become realize if you bought the video, I will watch this video. Yeah, inshallah after the Eid, bro. There's a lot of plans, chat, to the channel. I told you, I have a lot of plans, and we have a challenge also. I already told you about. If you like want to be with the challenge. Like it's just $130 that we're gonna start with this challenge, but it's not gonna be on the forex. It's gonna be on trading option because I already told you we looking to open a space, a trading space and trading option in the community, our community. So, and if you want to do that, we need to make sure that our trade is profitable. We need to make sure that we can make the people profitable. You know, that's why we have that challenge. So if we turn this 100, let's just say 200, let's just say 200 to 1,000, yeah, we're gonna open the space. Okay, and then yeah, so we have like two type of people in trading community. Forex and trading option. So that's gonna be cool. And also there's another plan, but I'm not gonna show you what is gonna plan. It's just gonna be a surprise. Alright, go. What you gonna do right here? What you gonna do? So there is a 8 minutes on this 50-minute candle. And chat, look, 50-minute candle doesn't have a top wick. And there is a range. Look at this. There is a range. There is a top wick. So in any point we can flip and create that top wick and fill the range. You take a buy. That's cool, bro. That's cool. Yeah, because there is no top wick. But I need more confirmation actually. I need more confirmation. You know that you know that Trading Secrets sent a chart on the community chat. I didn't see. Let's just recap and review the trade that he took. Let's see what he did. He took sales from. That's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Bro's fire. On the 4-hour candle, bro, this dude is crazy. Nice job, Trading Secret. Junior. What did you... Hold on. Like, bro, wait. Damn. Hold on, let me see. Create a video about turning into, and then it will be so exciting. I don't know, bro. We may do that. But first thing we need is to... First thing we need is turn like let's just say 130 or 200 to 1,000. Let's see. If we did that, then we're gonna open a space, and then we can, after we open the space, we can create another video on turning 1,000 to 5,000. Yeah, I have a lot of plans actually, but it's gonna take a lot of time. But inshallah, we do it. All right, gold. You Tayyib, I know you are a drawdown, brother. Bro, boot video, my first. Alright, Shad, look, 4 minutes, 4 minutes. Let's see. No, 3 minutes, sorry. Drawdown, oh my god. Yeah, that's why I didn't take any buys, because I was waiting for confirmation. You see? More confirmation. So let's see. Like this candle, because look, this is a rejection area. Look at that. This is a rejection area. You see, this is a resistant area zone. It reject from the price multiple times. Okay, so what we need is a flip, and then if I have another closure above this, the resistant area, that's mean I have my confirmation that I can take buys, because it closed not it didn't close 2 times, it closed 3 times. So that's going to be 1, 2, and the third time is going to be above the resistance. So that's a more confirmation that you can take a buy, you see. But look, this candle doesn't like create a top wick, because it this is a rejection area, so he's respecting, you see. That's what I'm talking about. And if we have the closure above the resistance area, yeah, we can look for buys. That's what I mean about confirmation. Like another candle to confirm that you can looking for buys now. You see, this is all about. And let's see. So 1 minute left, chat. Alaikum salam, Faisal. You see, it broke the lows and now it kept pushing down. That's crazy. So let's see what's gonna happen right here, Shah. All right, that's cool. Can we have like more push up? If we have more pop, I can look for sales share. اقدر ادور على sales. Alright, Shad, I'm gonna take. Oh, damn, bro. Like, damn. Alright, let's see this flip. Alright, Shad, I'm gonna take a sell right here. Okay? I took a sell. It's right here. Yeah. The TB will be right there. Stop lose will be above this. Okay, so let's see now. So we're in a profit. That's a 5 lot size. That's a 5 lot size, Chad. So can we have that broke the lows? If we broke the lows, yeah, we can manage the trade. Okay, so let's see. Can we break the lows, Goldie? Don't print side by side, just broke the lows. Do it, just do it. That's a late entry, I know, but it is what it is, you know? I just like need to more confirmation. All right, let's see, Sha. So let's see what's gonna happen right here. Ooh, that's nice, okay. Oh, you close your buys. That's cool. That's cool. All right, let's see, Shad. Let's see. Let's see the hour candle. Still bearish. So, yeah. And draw down. It is what it is, bro. That's okay. That's okay. Anyway, can we have another pop? Then I can take another sell. All right. Hold on. Let me see. Shad, I was looking to have another sell, Shad. As soon as I have that like broke, and then I can take another sell, but it is what it is. So we're looking now to flip. We're looking this candle to flip. All right. So as soon as we flip, I'm looking to manage my risk, and how much is gonna be that? It's gonna be 12 pips. It's gonna be what? No, yeah, 10, 12, yeah. Let's see. Come on, Goldie. I know you want to do that. I know you want to keep flipping bearish. Do it for me, baby. Do it for me. All right. I think he's going to give me my second entry. All right, let's see. Not much of liquidity, but yeah. Nice. Nice. Can we flip bearish now? Alright. I don't think he's want to flip now. But let's see. The 1 hour candle is bearish. 4 hour candle almost flip bearish. So as soon as we flip bearish, that's gonna be cool. That's gonna be good. So yeah. Let's see now. Let's see. 30-minute candle bullish. And if you flip bearish, that's gonna be cool. Alright. Can we have another pop like broke the highs and then I can take another sell? That's what I'm looking for. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna take another sell right here. Is that was right here. Okay. And I think I will stand my stop loss will be right here actually. Yeah, that will be good. I will give the trade more space to move, and then my TB is still the same right here. All right, let's see. That's combined 10 lot size, chat. 10 lot size. Too crazy. Anyway, hold on. I'm gonna go, you know, and I'm gonna back. Chat, we already tapped this level, chat. We already tapped this level. That's mean, like, let's see. Maybe I can take another sell actually. Let's see. Can we have another push up? Yeah, another push up, another push. Yeah, I don't think he's want to give me another push. So we tap this area and we reject from multiple times. We reject from. So yeah, nice. All right, that's cool. I'm taking another sell right here, Shad. Okay. Same thing. All right, my stop loss will be the same right here, and now my stop loss will extend to be right the same. Okay, chat, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna do something, and then I'm gonna back again, and yeah. So as soon as we flipped on the 30-minute candle, yeah, we're gonna keep push down, chat. We're gonna keep push down heavily, and we already tapped the resistance zone that reject from multiple times, and that's cool. Okay, that's why I take another sell. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna back a few like minutes. Yo, chat, what's up? Damn. Look at that gold. Look at that. Shit. Hold on. Damn, Goldie. W analysis, chat. I closed my position on my phone. So look at this. Look at this, chat. How much it moved since we closed our position. It moved like 37 pips. Okay, that's cool. And also the my PC, what is it? What is wrong with my PC, bro? Yeah, you see? It crashed. My PC crashed. So let me see. So 37 bips it moved, but how much we did in this? We total we made 27, right? Yeah, we did 27 bips, chat. So that's cool. 27 bips. And how this is like 4. No, how this is 10. So if I do this and delete this, yeah, 27. So that's 27 bips, chat. W. Okay, let's journal this the trade that we took. Let's journal it. So 22. How much we made in this? How much we made? Let's see. In this trade we made history. Ooh, we made good amount, chat. We made a good amount. That's beautiful. So we have here we have here this and we have this. So that's beautiful, chat. So that's how much how much is this? All right, see, let's just calculate this. خلينا نحسب احنا كم سوينا. ألف ثلاثة بلس يساوي 1301. Ooh, shit, we made 1300 today. That's mean 1.03%, chat. That's W. Let's mark this up. So that's 28. That was 5 lot size. That was a New York session. It was gold. It was bearish. So pineapples, normal pineapples. No, it was pineapples. So it was sell. So that was breakout. Oh, that was fake out. Okay. So that was on the 30-minute candle. It was wick. It was wick. And then it was on the 30-minute candle. Same thing, 30-minute candle. I was with on the 30-minute candle. So let's see here. No. Manage on the 50-minute, no, on the 30, and then it was solid on the the 30-minute candle, and the 1 hour also. That was top wick, 30-minute candle. Let's go here. That was when. It's beautiful. That was 5 lots. And we made 130. How much? 130. That was 1,301. And then that was what? How many bips was that? 27 bips. 27 pips. That was a perfect exit. Okay, so exit reason, it's because it's a perfect exit actually. Quick. Okay. And then 50-minute candle. It was on the 30. Okay. And then here it was 27. And on the 30. Let's see how much was that. We're back. We're back on the track. We are now sitting on 1.5%, and the gold keep pushing down, as we can see right here, on the 30-minute candle. Look at this. This is beautiful. Anyway, that was a W trade. And W, who took this trade? Yeah, we did good. We're back on the track again. So it is what it is. So I'm gonna call the day right here, chat. Okay, I'm gonna call the day right here. That if you are didn't join to our community, do not forget to join. And also, if you are didn't give the live stream like, hit that like. Okay, give the live stream like, and do not forget, if you are trading, do not overtrade. Do not forget to put stop loss, TB, close on partials, secure some profits, and go to the next day. I'm going to finish the day right here, Shad. And I see you next live stream, inshallah. And yeah, Ramadan Kareem, Shad. See you.